Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys why the cactus seed is the most important plant to buy in Plants vs. Brainrots for now, for the XP missions. Okay, so cactus seeds, a cactus takes 5 seconds to grow in Plants vs. Brainrots, as you can see. And you can basically use this plant to complete these quests, missions, XP missions. So right now it says extract XP from plants. You'll need to extract from plants 7 times, and one time is 5 plants. So they are the easiest to grow anyways and the quickest to grow. So you're just going to want to use your cactus for those missions. There's also another one where you have to mutate your plants. So one cactus has to be gold, for instance. The other one has to have the frozen mutation. They're the easiest for me to get mutations on because you can plant a lot of them all at once. Plus, the seed restocks really quickly and they will always be in stock, and there will be a lot of the cactus one. You can also do strawberries, but they do take longer. I think a strawberry is around 1 minute, and a cactus is 5 seconds. So obviously, for instance, there will be the heat wave, whether you are going to plant a lot of your cactus there, and you can get a lot of mutations for the missions. I know those missions are the most annoying one because obviously we don't have a lot of mutated plants. Well, I don't, especially if you're a beginner and you're trying to do the Christmas conveyor event. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!